So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be like an unboxing video of a product that I have wanted for a very long time. Okay, I had been thinking about buying it, but then I felt it was too expensive, so I was waiting for the Nykaa sale, the Pink Friday sale that was going on, and I felt I got a good offer. But I've seen people buying it for lesser prices, but it's okay. So I'm speaking about the trending hair blow brush product, that is the Alan Truman hair blow brush. If you check the current prices, it is 2437 rupees, but I got mine for 1800, which is a very good deal if I think about it, if I have to speak about it. And you have there are two variants. So one is like the plastic casing, and the other one is like a metallic ceramic sort of a casing. Both are ceramic actually, but the other one is more like metallic. It's like silver and gold, and the other ones are like pastel colors. So I went for the pastel color. I'll just show you what it looks like. So it comes in this huge box like this, and I was literally like waiting for it to arrive. It took a few days, but it's okay. So it comes like in this neon yellow box. I really like the color of the box. The combination, everything is really pretty. It says pink candy because it's the pink blow brush, and you have the branding and stuff, that is Alan Truman. It's really trending right now. People even say that it is a dupe of the Dyson Airwrap or the Dyson blow brush or whatever. I don't have that, so I can't really compare. But yeah, I will get to the the results part of it. So it looks something like this. Looks like this. It is like a nice thick brush, and it has a very long cord, so you can easily plug it in even in like far away sockets. It's really long, and it's a good quality socket, I can say. And this is like the brush, so it's really thick, like thick and huge. So you can style a huge amount of hair like at one time. So for me, I have actually done this. I have used this like I think 4 days ago on my hair, and my hair is still really smooth and straight. Actually, I have um like my hair is not that straight, but it's not curly, so it's little less wavy, but it's not fully straight. But it is wavy, but it is not wavy, it is like on the straighter side. So for me, it did not take too much of brushes to get straight hair. This doesn't give you needle straight hair, it just gives you that blowout look. I'm still trying to learn to figure it out though, because you need to learn to rotate it and all for getting those curls and stuff. You need to learn to do that. It's not really easy, especially if you're a beginner like me. I am at least a beginner when it comes to this. It has like 3 settings, that is blast, hot and warm. So on warm you get not that hot air. On hot you get like somewhat hot hair, and on blast you get like really hot hair or hot air. And this does make a lot of sound, so I'll show you what it sounds like. Okay, so see, that is what it sounds like. And you need to just go like this and keep rotating if you want to get those curls on the end. So that is how it works. Like, I'll post another video on how to use it. First I need to get the hang of it by myself, because I don't really know. But if you just want to dry off your hair after you had washed it, it's very simple. You just need to go on top and go throughout your entire hair. It really dries your hair quickly. I liked how it dried my hair. But yeah, you do have a lot of hair fall, but my hair is falling these days, so I think it's because of that. If you have healthy hair, I don't think your hair is gonna fall as much. And always use heat protectant, make sure, because you're gonna damage your hair otherwise. This gets heated a lot. Okay, like you do get like some sort of plasticky smell, but it's not burning. I got that in a lot of reviews, but it's not burning. But it does smell like burnt plastic, but that is just what happens when the product heats. so that is not something to be worried about. Yeah, and it is also available in a lot of colors. Okay, there's lilac, there is like aqua blue, there's white, there's pink, there's black, then there's another variant of what I mentioned, the metallic ones, that is gold and silver, and there is one with black and like a dark purple, so that looks really pretty as well. You can go for any of these. If you ask me if this is worth it, I would say it's worth it, because if you look at other blow brushes, if you compare the Philips one, that does give you like straight hair, like needle straight hair, but more or less I feel it does the same job, because both of these like give you that straight blow dried look. But those are expensive. Like the Philips one is like I think 3,500 or 3,000 or something. I got it like for almost half the price, so I feel it's really worth it. You can definitely give it a try. If you check Flipkart, on Flipkart it is expensive. I don't know why. If you compare the prices to the Nykaa site, Nykaa sells them for a bit lesser price. But always make sure you buy such things during the sale, because that is when you save a lot of money. Okay, like I saved almost 800 rupees I think, yeah, on this product, because I bought it during the sale. So yeah, as I said, I'll make like another detailed video on how I use it, because I need to learn to use it first. But yeah, I will highly recommend you buying this. And it comes with a 6-month warranty, so it's a good deal I feel. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video if you like such content. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day ahead.